Hey everyone, we're going into a thorough review of the Gigabyte G6X 9KG 2024 today, which is a reasonably priced gaming model in the Gigabyte lineup. This model appeals to gamers and consumers looking for a dependable and portable gadget because it combines performance with a fair price. The Gigabyte G6X 9KG has a minimalistic appearance devoid of overbearing decorations. The metal top cover with a matte treatment gives a touch of quality and longevity to the plastic body. There is a futuristic mechanical motif on the metal cover, with its 361 by 259mm dimensions, 28.9mm thickness, and approximate weight of 2.5 kilograms. The laptop is comparatively portable for a gaming computer. The laptop lid can open up to 130 degrees at most. The laptop's bottom sides house the speakers, which enable Dolby Atmos. They produce excellent sound, but it is devoid of low frequencies, a problem that many computers have. Even 30% volume in headphones is sufficient for daily use, therefore the volume is still powerful enough. Connectivity and ports. The laptop has several ports, including back. Supports DisplayPort 1.4, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, HDMI 2.1, 4RJ45 connections, a power connector, and two large cooling cutouts. On the left side are a 3.5mm audio connector, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, and a Kensington lock. Correct. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C cable that supports Power Delivery 3.0. During extended gaming sessions, the full-sized laptop keyboard with illumination and sufficient key travel will keep you comfortable. The distinct touchpad offers a smooth surface for precise operation, and the plastic buttons are simple to press. The 16-inch IPS display on the G6X 9KG has a refresh rate of 165 Hz and a resolution of 1920 by 1000 pixels. The display is perfect for gaming and working in strong light, since it has vivid colors, outstanding image quality, and little glare. At 325 nits, the brightness is not the maximum, and the DCI-P3 professional color gamut is only 47.3%. Nevertheless, a room's 50-60% brightness is plenty. An Intel Core i7-13650HX processor with 14 cores and 20 threads, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card with a TGP of 105W power the laptop. High performance in games is ensured by this combination, making gaming fun. The device has 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, which is sufficient for most modern games and multitasking scenarios, and a 1TB Psi 4.0 SSD for quick system operation and loading times. The laptop is useful for working well on the go because of its 73Wh battery, which lasts for up to 7.5 hours on a single charge. The performance suffers, and the charge runs out more quickly in game mode. Travel-friendly, the laptop can be charged up to 50% in 30 minutes, thanks to USB Type-C fast charging capability. The Gigabyte G6X 9KG 2024 is a reasonably priced gaming laptop that offers robust hardware in a small form factor for those on a budget. With a strong processor and graphics adapter, a great display with a fast refresh rate, a variety of connections, and an effective cooling system, it provides great performance. It is therefore a great choice within its price range. If you think this review is useful, please subscribe to the channel, like it, and share your opinions about the company's equipment in the comments section. Remember to click the bell button to receive updates. Have a nice day and God bless you.